To set up Google Analytics Universal Analytics, start by creating a Google Analytics account if you don't already have one. Once you have an account, sign in and click on the Admin button at the bottom left corner of the page. Next, select the account you want to use and click on the Property drop-down menu to create a new property. Choose Website and enter your website name and URL. Then select your industry category and reporting time zone. After creating the property, you will get a tracking ID which you will use to track your website data. To track your website, you need to add the Google Analytics tracking code to your website. You can do this by copying the tracking code and pasting it into the head tag of your website. Alternatively, if you are using a content management system like WordPress, you can use a plugin to add the tracking code to your website. Once you have added the tracking code, go back to your Google Analytics account and verify that the tracking code is working by checking the real-time reports. You should see data coming in from your website. To get the most out of Google Analytics, you need to set up goals and events. Goals allow you to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or purchases. Events allow you to track specific interactions on your website, such as button clicks or video plays. To set up a goal, go to the Admin section and click on Goals. Then click on the New Goal button and follow the prompts to set up your goal. To set up an event, you need to add event tracking code to your website. This code allows you to track specific interactions on your website. Once you have set up goals and events, you can use the data in Google Analytics to analyze your website traffic and behavior. You can use the reports in Google Analytics to see where your traffic is coming from, what pages are most popular, and how users are interacting with your website. By following these steps, you can set up Google Analytics Universal Analytics and start tracking your website data. Remember to always follow best practices when setting up Google Analytics, such as verifying your website and setting up goals and events. This will help you get the most out of Google Analytics and make data-driven decisions to improve your website.